Bitcoin is back above 100K, and 200K is going to happen sooner than you think. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci. I'm in a pipe 5x5 in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. We're going to be going over some important information now that all the cryptocurrencies, pretty much all of them, have recovered from this disastrous flash crash. We're going to talk about how Bitcoin is going to 200K really fast. And if you're going to trade this, you make sure you do so at either Levex, and then you join me here, right? You can follow me, and then I'll be posting more stuff here other than just the videos. But I just want to build up the followers. So if you can subscribe there and follow me, and you can join watch the live streams, that would be great. Also, Bybit.davincij15.com. This is where you can actually trade and make a lot of money, and also, use it with your debit card, right? But you're going to need some ID. This is a good place to do it. rns.davincij15.com. They don't really pay me for this or anything like that. It's just, they give me points, and I don't know, the points are going to be useful for something in the future. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for using that if you get your ID. Okay. Waffles, right? It's now at the bottom, it's going to reverse here. So make sure you get your waffles. But the one that's taking a comeback, right, is ORC. We've reached the bottom here, and ORC is time for reversal zone. So we're going to have ORC reverse here. So don't miss out on that one. Same with WowMao and PayPay, big reversal. And we are not going to allow it to stay below this blue line here. This is now takeoff territory for PayPay. Looking at medieval empires, there seems to be a little bit of a reversal coming here. We might come back down to this level, but man, it's off to the races on medieval empires. And hey, join me at medieval empires. I'm playing that game all the time, and you can get paid because I'm paying out 100,000 Me tokens for somebody playing on my land. Right? There's certain lands you can play on, and you can earn 100,000 Me tokens. All right, this is the news for today. And MicroStrategy expects to crack NASDAQ 100. Bloomberg Intelligence. Okay, well, yeah, it's obvious. Do you need intelligence for that? They are printing money, right, and buying Bitcoin. They're getting people to buy their debt. And every time they sell the debt, it gets oversubscribed. And then, boom, they're able to buy a bunch of Bitcoin. It is what it is. Where are they getting this money from? Why is people giving them all this money? They're borrowing it off of the stock. Simple as that. Bitcoin price reclaims 6 figures on CPI relief as traders see 110K next. Yeah, you could say it's a CPI, right? But, man, I think that Bitcoin has the potential to grow to over 200K in the next 3 months, right? We're going to talk about that shortly. Solana rallies above 230, paving the way for a new SOL price all-time highs. Yeah, so Solana is targeting a lot higher, like $1,000, $1,200. Could go as high as 4,000. Wouldn't count on that one, but definitely anywhere between 800 and 1,200 is assured for Solana. So make sure you have some Solana in your pocket. If you believe 10x from here is already too much for altcoin season, well, study more and take care of your PTSD, man. Higher. Okay, says this guy. So let's take a look at this chart. Well, we're at 700 billion, if that's the case. And we go all the way up here. Wow. Oof. Yeah, you know what? Alt season. With the meme coins, yes. Walk in the park. Right? The meme coins will drag us up there to $4 trillion market cap and all total alts, along with Bitcoin doing something absolutely fantastic. Too soon, Bitcoin price spike to 200K is achievable in 2025, says analyst. Yes, I agree 100%. Let's take a look at the charts and see where we are on that one. If you're interested in trading this all the way to 200K, Bitcoin to 200K, you can do so at Bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below, right? And you can do a 3x leverage and boom, get 3 times your money. All right, with that said, oof, look at that. even though Bitcoin is headed to a higher, price that's unbelievable, seems unbelievable, right? It's only to double from here, right? And a lot of cryptocurrencies are going to do, 10x or more. So there it is. Some will do 5, right? Some will do 4, but they'll all do something spectacular. Whilst Bitcoin from here, maybe 150%, maybe, I don't know. That's its trajectory. Now, looking at our charts, we traded this, right? If you traded this was a very risk trade, but if you did it, boom, you got paid just like that. You took it all the way to your target, and that was it, right? You saw the W. We're in a bullish situation, and yeah, this is a high risk trade because we're on a lower time frames, and they can paint the tape, and then they can reverse it on you. But they didn't, and so there you go. You profited. Okay, let's take this off, right, and go to a larger time frame, and let's do what's called fib analysis, and there it is, right there, 200K, right? Boom. This is a walk in the park for Bitcoin, right? 200K. Anything above that is suspect, right? So we're going to move there pretty fast, though. In the next 3 months, we're probably going to move to the 200K level, and then we'll see what happens from there, right? When we blast off to that level, right? Okay. That said, let's move on to Ethereum, right? Oof, man, Ethereum reversed on us. We were like, put our hands in our pocket. We didn't want to come up with a trade, right? Because we already had a risk trade here. And yeah, we're looking for a new trade with Ethereum. Ethereum, it's testing its high. So let's just see what it is doing here. Let's ignore that. It clearly bounced off the support level, so it's not going to come back here, especially in the bull market that we're in. Odds are it's not coming back. So what we can see is we have blown through the 61.8, 78, hit the 78.6. I noticed that the Ethereum loves the 78.6 and rolling back. 78.6 is also some support that's turned resistance area, so we could expect a little bit of a return back before we break through and go a lot higher. So I would suggest we wait for it to calm down and look for trade at the lower levels here. This looks like the same thing that's happening for a Solana. Solana's perfect trade. I told you guys that this was AB equals CD reversal here, and we did reverse as expected. We probably should have gotten a trade in here, but hey, if you didn't, that's great. That's okay. You can find another trade eventually. This is probably going to turn into some sort of a Wing pattern, so make sure, but it'll take probably a little bit of time to materialize, but I would suggest you go for it at the lower levels here as well. Come back down, and then boom, we can see Solana take off heavily. Solana is probably geared to reach. We're going to take out the $300 mark, but let's just see if there's any kind of play here. Clear indication that the $300 mark is a target from Solana here. Let's go with this. Another AB equals CD upwards. Oh, look at that. Nice convolution of events. And so there we go. We have a clear target for the next Solana rally of $300. Boom. So there you have it, guys. Well, it doesn't make sense. It's a big fat round number, and prices left to go there. Now, we don't have a trade for that yet, but we will have one in the following weeks. So make sure you stay tuned. You hit subscribe, hit the like, and be here, be square. Cheers.